we welcome you to Kelga. Before I commence, I want to tell you that my people said, I should tell you that they are not ingrates. By epiphany of grace, God used you to make Amaechi governor, which of course he confessed. By the same epiphany of grace, you restored Celeste Omeha to be former governor. Instead of these people to appreciate you, they turned against you. My people said, I should tell you that they are not ingrates, that they will give you 100% of votes. His Excellency, when my brother and former boss, Amaechi, was fighting with Jonathan in 2014, he redefined the concept of brotherhood. He said, who is your brother? Is it Goodluck Jonathan, who could not do anything for the people of Niger Delta? Or President Buhari, that would come and do something for the people of Niger Delta? But you know what Kama does? Under Jonathan, under Buhari, Amaechi could not attract anything to River State, not to talk of Ubima. Dike, I was special assistant to Amaechi on student affairs. I'm a philosopher. I'm a lawyer. I talk with facts, verifiable facts. Community secondary school, Ubima. The then principal did a photograph. And then we forwarded it, and I forwarded it to Amaechi. Amaechi read it and cancelled it. I sent it back again. The dilapidated secondary school. Amaechi again cancelled it and brought it back to me. Then here comes somebody who is not our brother and rebuilt that school to the extent that it can stand as a polytechnic. My people, who is your brother? Is it Amaechi or Wike? In all the worlds, in the current local government, Dike has established projects, something that Amaechi could not do for us. Between Amaechi and Amaechi, who is our brother? Celeste Omeha was governor for six months. He did not do anything in Ubima other than to build a personal house. Between Celeste Omeha and Governor Wike, who is our brother? Today may not be a day of long speeches because I am known as a man of long speeches. His Excellency, let me tell you, I sat outside there, a lady came with a child and said, oh, she regretted coming here. That she never knew that the crowd could have been this way. That she never knew that if she had known, she could not have come. Let there not be stampede. His Excellency, I call him the wonder boy of Kelga, and his team have done excellently well. We are only coming to compliment his effort. I want to tell you, I will not talk like my brother, Chief Amaechi, who said, Mr. President, oh, give me a, go and sleep. And he did not deliver.